how to sell Pokemon cards digitally on Etsy. Now, if you want to sell Pokemon cards digitally on Etsy, you just simply need to open any of your browser that you use and after that search for Etsy seller. Then you will see this first website of how to sell on Etsy United States. Just simply open that and then you need to log into your Etsy's normal account and after that you will see this page of Etsy seller account. From here tap to get started. And now after tapping in there you need to set up everything about your shop at very first, such as shop language, country, currency, and then shop name. And after setting up shop name, set up the payment method that you will accept and allowed in your countries. And after selecting all of these you need to customize your shop, and once you finish with that you can very easily list and sell your Pokemon cards digitally on Etsy. So I hope this video have been helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.